I found a little sicko at school today. Layla's not feeling good, so I had to pick her up early. We went and got a little Sprite. We're gonna lay down, watch a show. She's feeling better, eat something. I could get you some pretzels. They might help you feel a little better. Want to do that?
I'm taking anything that'll make me feel better.
You're taking anything? She did say the Sprite's helping your belly a little bit. That's good. So we'll just hang out, hopefully get this girl feeling better. But don't worry, guys. She will dance anyway.
I also spilled water on my shirt today.
Okay, I love you.
Love you.
What are we gonna watch?
I wish the Grinch was out.
Oh yeah, we're ready for Christmas movies, huh?
Like Home Alone. I want that.
Am I doing something that I said I would never do? Yes, I am. Just dyeing this stash here.
I'm not supposed to tell people.
We're lightly dyeing it so it looks more natural. He came in and I just happened, oh, I'm just not filming. Big surprise. Paige came in and we were teasing because he's going to a football game dressed as a cowboy.
Right to fit.
And he said, "Can you dye my mustache?" And I was like, I actually have some dye mixed up, so I guess it won't last that long. You feel like that's covered enough? There you go.
What's up, guys?
Do you want this more in here?
It's not gonna be like that color, right?
What do you mean it will be darker?
It looks golden in here. Let's just leave it like this. It looks sick.
Oh my gosh.
Show you the cutest shoes ever.
In the mirror. Doesn't look good.
You kind of look
The
like
bicep.
Oh, look at him, so strong.
Should I get these shoes, you guys?
If you guys know any good chest exercises, let me know in the comments.
I think push-ups are planks.
I think, yeah, those are boring and I suck at push-ups.
We'll get better.
They're my chest.
You guys, our dishwasher is fixed. The dishes are dry. They smell good. I can't tell you how happy it makes me. Our dishwashers have been broken since December or January. So it's been a while. It's been a lot because we had the baby too, and then the bottles and the dishes and then all the things. So this makes me so happy. So one completely fixed. Our other dishwasher is getting fixed next week, and then we'll be back in business. But I started getting the house cleaned up, and then the kids have friends that they're playing with. Some here, some there. They're just kind of been all over. So I haven't got everything completely finished, but I did start. But then I remembered I have more laundry, always. So just trying to get this finished up while this guy will play. He's pretty happy right now, so I'm gonna try to bust out some laundry while he's hanging out. And then it's about bedtime. Are you about ready for bed? Yeah. We're on our way to see Brai. We're so close. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I cannot wait to see her.
I just woke up.
But you guys, driving through Utah is no joke. Everyone drives so fast. It blows my mind every single time. Every time I'm like, why are you in such a hurry? Let's just get there safe. Can we? But today was great. The drive was great. My kids slept. Layla slept. Finn just barely woke up back there. And we're so close. We're like 5 minutes away. So.
I have a 10-minute timer.
You have a 10-minute.
Says
Oh, you set a timer? Don't tell Layla something. She will take it quite literal. I was like, we have about 10 minutes. Timer set. We found her! Yay!
You look so very cute.
That's my girl. That's my girl.
Looks like a little grandpa.
Braylee's set up so far. I just ordered her a bed for her birthday, so it'll be here.
Just waiting for the
Because
bed.
we all know she's wanted a bed on the floor. We don't know why. But
Not
it's
anymore.
fine. Not
It doesn't
anymore.
go with this vibe.
Not anymore. So it's just like it's not that far off the ground, but we'll show it again.
Yeah.
We'll show it again. And some new bedding.
My bedding's here. I'm gonna wait though for my bed to be
Oh, where is it? That's it?
Yeah. It's like vacuum sealed. I was like, oh.
It's like when mattresses get to your house and
Yeah,
they're
they're
vacuum
that
sealed.
big.
It's like, what? Oh, I'm excited to see it. Yeah, this is it. Your closet?
Are you leaving?
Yeah.
Have fun.
This is a good sized closet. Do you remember my closet when we lived in California that I had to share with Dad?
Yeah, it was so
It
little.
was so tiny.
Like, it's a good size. It just doesn't have room to put, like...
Well, you're just not used, like you're used to
Yeah.
having two gigantic
nice.
closets.
Because I have these.
Yeah.
And then my laundry basket's just under here.
Oh, good.
And then, I don't know what I'm doing right there.
She thought about getting...
Did you bring my shoe boxes?
What shoebox?
It's okay.
Oh my gosh, why didn't you remind me?
It's okay. As long as they're not in the way there, it doesn't matter.
As long as they're what?
Not in the way in Lila's
Oh, they're
room.
not in the way.
And then this is my other closet.
Oh my gosh, I forgot. I'm sorry. If Maddox comes down next weekend, we can send them.
Okay.
Oh, great.
This is my bathroom door.
Oh, yeah. That's plenty of space.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That's good.
I mean, all my clothes are moved in, so
Really? Oh, good.
I'm completely moved in.
And then we're going to get a shoe thing to hang on the door?
Yeah.
For all your shoes?
Yeah.
Great. Look at this. Look at you. Oh my gosh.
I moved in.
So Braylee's room's right there, and then her roommate's room is right there. Here's a bathroom. Laundry room.
Hey guys, welcome to my house tour. Okay, this is our kitchen. This is my cupboard of stuff. I haven't gone grocery shopping yet, so it's empty. This is my kitchen, so cute. Little flowers. My roommate just put them together today. And then you walk over here. This is our living room. It's so massive. We just got this massive TV. It's so nice. And then this is like a little storage closet, and let's see. Under here, it's like an underground cave. It flooded though, so it's locked. This is our wall of everybody who's come. I need to take a picture of my family. This is one of my roommate's rooms.
I got Braylee and her roommate's this little rug. Really cute. Target, $10, guys. Ella and Jess came to see. You guys are the best, and they got Braylee a present. That's nice.
Where's the present?
Yeah, it's coming.
Let's see your Target haul. Look at Griffin, halfway dressed. The shoe organizer.
Wait, does it have things to hang?
Yeah, it will.
Okay, that's my garbage. You guys can sit on my bed.
You're the one that took your binky off.
Okay, I'm gonna help.
I don't like it on the outside. I'm
Huh?
gonna put them in there. My sheets.
Cute. Got her some curtains.
Hey, for your windows?
Yeah, right here. She has 2 windows, no blinds.
I have lines.
You do. You have shutters. We're having a sleepover with our girl at Markel and Jess's house. We didn't want to like crash at Braylee's with all of our roommates thinking we're weirdos, all of us sleeping in the same bed. Yeah, there's not a lot of space. If it was just me and Finn, maybe. If it was just me, I would for sure stay there. But all of us,
Sleep in the closet.
it's a little crowded. Would that be weird though? Would you feel weird if your mom was having a sleepover?
No.
You wouldn't? I feel weird that you're having a sleepover with me.
No.
I'm just kidding. This is gonna be a little tight though. We'll make it
Look,
work.
I literally sleep like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you believe her? She hasn't even had a wall to sleep next to. Layla has a nice little setup out here, watching some Chip and Potato.
My eyes hurt
Nice.
so
They're a
bad.
little itchy. Yeah. Whoever thought it was a good idea to go shopping on Labor Day weekends? Whoever thought? Not me either.
I did.
This is craziness.
There's not even
Craziness,
good
I tell you.
deals.
I know. What the heck? There are a few, but like,
Not good.
not worth it. Braylee did though. Braylee did find the top that she wanted though on sale. So.
Yep, it was 40 and I got it for 18.
Okay, let's go somewhere. Getting the laundry situated. Braylee's never used a top loading dishwasher. Laundry.
I have
What am
my
saying?
old job.
Washer.
I did my old job, but we just had pods that we just put in it.
Oh. This is a great size laundry room.
Why do you guys have ramen in here?
And then we have this.
Yeah.
And I put my laundry basket right there.
Oh yeah, great. Perfect. I don't want to say goodbye again. Alright, well. Are you ready to go?
No!
Not ready for that drive.
No!
Look at all the toilet paper we have.
Nice. It's always good to have.
The toilet paper.
Actually, I'm gonna be like, where should I put this? Just so that they know that I put it in.
Oh, this.
You're like, I got some toilet paper too, guys. Thank you, Grandma Laurie. Alright, we're gonna get ready to go. Today was a busy day in Utah. There were the mall where we live, like there's hardly ever any people there. The mall today in Utah was so busy, which is good. It's good that people are like getting out and doing things. But oh man, that was a lot. And then we went to Trader Joe's. We got a few yummy snacks that we can eat on the way home.
And guys, I get in a cute little shopping cart.
Oh yeah, there's a cute little shopping cart. There were so many people though. I was like, I have to get out of here. I felt like everywhere we went, I would just like had like the hot, like I was just hot and sweaty and like panicky.
Love you,
That's because
wow.
of this one. And he was so perfect. What if I had a naughty baby?
You do.
What if I had a naughty baby? What would we do?
You do.
Are you gonna miss Bray Bray? I swear when we got here and he saw her for the first time, he was just like, where
I
have you
haven't
been?
seen you in so long. Like, where have you been?
I wonder how much this boy will change while Braylee's gone. I was telling Braylee it'll be weird every time she sees Finn now because it will be longer periods of time and he'll just be so big. Alright, I'm not going to lay here for very long. I'm about to fall asleep on Braylee's bed. Do you feel like having 3 people sleep over tonight? Just kidding.
Guys want to try and cuddle them up in this hot room?
Well, everyone wish Braylee good luck. She's going to be starting her job tomorrow. She's going to be doing training. I said, call me after you're done with your training and tell me everything.
So I've been stressing about everything. So
Every little tiny detail.
it'll be nice to
Yeah,
know what
it'll
I'm
be-
doing.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, we didn't hang up those signs yet.
I don't think I can do it today.
Yes, can.
Okay, I'll just do it
Braylee, I
myself.
have to tell you something. I'm really, really bad at hanging things.
It's probably better than me doing it by myself.
I'll help you.
Okay, am I gonna put a mirror right there so I should slide this over more?
Oh
You
my
think I should
god,
put a mirror right
really?
I don't think you should put a mirror like that. I think it will be like too hard to see. Braylee has Zach Bryan album pictures, photos that
That's
she wants to
cute.
hang right here. Very cute. Okay, I'll help you. Remember, I think that maybe there's an app that has a leveler.
I think
on
I can
it.
do it. Because I'm just gonna measure it by these things, and I can see if it's lined up by looking at it.
I see. I cannot see if something's level.
But what nail should I use?
The tiniest.
This one?
Like this
Is
tiny.
that the tiniest?
Yeah.
Yeah. Braylee measured, I hammered, and I have to say Braylee did a very great job at measuring. It's pretty level. I'm so bad. So bad at making things level. Mine always like to start to slant down.
Slay!
Well done, girl.
Now I just have one more row.
Just use the whole bottle. Just use the whole bottle. Why are you taking the lid off?
Because I watched you do that, but then I remember it's
Yeah, it was to pop that out. We did it. That was quick.
It was
Yesterday
quick.
we were gonna do it. It was too hot. I was sweating. I was like, I can't even think about how to make these level or how to attach them to the wall. Can't do it. I don't know what was going on, but yesterday my head just felt like it had so much pressure and it was giving me a headache, but a weird headache. I don't know. And I was dizzy. So definitely needed some pressure not to be hanging signs. You ready to go, big guy? Got the signs hung, some laundry started, grocery shopping done,
So basically,
dinner, got some dinner for you,
Not me.
new outfits. I love it, Bray. I love it. So cute.
It finally feels like my room!
That does feel good to have some
Cute!
cute decorations that feel like home.
The
Even
door
though-
shuts too hard and then I feel like they're gonna fall off.
I told her she needs to put like some tape or something. They're like glue
But I feel like they're all
dots.
even.
Like sticky
Oh,
putty.
yeah, smart.
You know that sticky putty?
Yeah.
Put them on the bottom.
Everyone's.
Yeah. We got the lovies. We'll see Braylee so soon. She just confirmed that Braylee will get to come home this weekend.
Because I get to work at 6:45 a.m.
So we're gonna be okay.
Love
It makes
you.
saying goodbye a little bit easier.